Good morning, everyone, and happy Independence Day to all of you. I am going to present a PPT on the topic India, a Golden Bird. India before independence, rise of freedom movement. The year 1857, when East India Company conquered all over the India and took the Indian soldiers in the British Army, then some discrimination occurred between the British and Indian soldiers, and with the hands of Mangal Pandey from Bengal and leadership of Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope with Rani Lakshmibai from Maharashtra with the support of last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah too started the first revolution against the British Raj named Sepoy Mutiny, 1857. Though the mutiny wasn't succeeded and Mangal Pandey, the first freedom fighter of India who was hanged to death at Barakpur, moved the administrators of British Company and the Britishers realized that it is not easy to rule over India. Advent of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, born on 2nd October 1869, Mahatma Gandhi is referred to as the father of the nation. Armed with nothing but truth and ideals of non-violence, he led the Indian people towards freedom. He not only fought for the nation but also fought for equality among the Indian people and founded the community against the untouchability in the freedom struggle. He led the Champaran, Kheda, Khilafat, Non-Cooperation, Salt March, Dandi March and Quit India movements. Those compelled the Britishers to leave India. Bhagat Singh. A rebellious nationalist, Bhagat Singh, along with his associates Shivram Rajguru and Bhatukeshwar Dutt, he exploded two bombs inside Delhi's Central Legislative Assembly. They were arrested and got sentenced to death. At the youthful age of 23, he was hanged along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, and his fight came to an end on 23rd March 1931. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre took place on 13 March 1919 when acting Brigadier General Dyer ordered troops of the British Indian Army to fire their rifles into a crowd of unarmed Indian civilians in Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, Punjab, killing at least 379 people and injuring over 1,000 other people. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. Bose had been a leader of the younger radical wing of the Indian National Congress in 1920 and became the Congress president in 1938, but he was ousted by Congress leadership in 1939 following differences with Mahatma Gandhi and the Congress High Command. Bose arrived in Germany in 1941 to make an army for India with the help of Adolf Hitler and government of Japan. With the Japanese support, Bose revamped the Indian National Army, creating the popular slogan Jai Hind. One of his famous dialogue was तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. The people of India are thankful to those who fought for the independence of their country. We celebrate our independence every year on 15th August, which is marked as Indian Independence Day. The day is truly special for every Indian. Jai Hind. COVID-19 movement of India, invisible enemy. India fighting against COVID-19. The virus named Corona or COVID-19 gifted by India's one of the neighboring country, and as soon as possible it spread out all over India and became a pandemic for the whole world. But we the Indians took this situation as movement to get rid of the COVID-19 virus. On the first week of March, India started being affected with COVID-19. On the first week of affecting in India, there were 10 cases. On 11th March 2020, COVID-19 was announced as a pandemic by WHO. The movement started with the process of lockdown from 25th March 2020 by the declaration of our PM Narendra Modi. In this condition, all the schools, colleges, offices, shopping malls, multiplexes, etc. were closed for indefinite time and date. Only the essential institutions like ration shops, hospitals, medicals, and police stations were opened. Approximately, COVID-19 has affected 2.5 million people in India till date. Corona warriors, doctors, paramedics, policemen, sanitation workers, and others engaged in different duties in the fight against the COVID-19 are called Corona warriors. The bravery shown by these warriors while fighting coronavirus is certainly venerable. The, the bravery with which India is fighting the COVID-19 is truly admirable. We have to free the nation from the COVID-19 by turning challenges into opportunities and set an example for the world by creating a healthy and prosperous and strong India. Corona warriors are all those Indians who are maintaining social distancing, wearing masks, and going out of the house when it is emergency. COVID warriors are all those Indians who want that its nation should be free of the COVID virus. We are safe in our homes because of the corona warriors present inside us and the nation. So come fight with COVID-19. The fight of independence with Britishers was fought by going out of our homes and doing revolutions, but this time we will fight with COVID by staying in our home. Jai Hind. India salutes its heroic Corona warriors. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.